Okay, quick video showing how I'm doing serrations sometimes if they need a bunch of repair work. Normally if they don't, I use these. This is a DMT tapered rod. I have unscrewed it from the usual folding base and attached it to a 1/2 inch fiberglass dowel. Made some little scabbards so it doesn't get broken off. Color coded conveniently, made out of PEX. And lately, this is how I've been fixing serrations that need a lot of repair. Normally if they don't, I'll just line it up, use the tip a little bit to basically micro bevel each side, and I'm done. Or just the back side even, and just buff the front edge. But every now and then you get ones that are really beat up, and if you want to repair them to a virtually pristine state, it takes a lot of control, and this is the method that I have come up with. So conveniently, these little scabbards I can set on the deck and use them as a carriage so it'll roll back and forth. And then all I have to do now is line up my workpiece, color it with Sharpie, figure out the angle, and then just grind. And this lets me ride up both edges of the scallop so I can form a really nice shape, whatever I need, and get as close to it as I want. So if it's a really big scallop, I can actually do this with just the tip. It just takes longer. Much easier to use the thickest part of the rod that it can accommodate. And just go light. Anywhere I see that I don't like the shape of it, I can just repair it. Now obviously this is not something that is practical for a lot of tools, but for every now and then you got one that needs to be reconstructed to some degree. This is a great way to do it, and the result is very good. And then I just go back very lightly. Again, I use the same rolling jig, if you will, to just very lightly deburr them. And then for a final deburr, I'll pull out the fine rod. Or if it's a super duper job I'm doing, as a favor for a friend, I'll move on and redo all of these with the fine rod. But that's pretty much never. But I will clean up the burr with the finer rod. It does give a better effect, and you wind up with a super like new serrated edge. Alright, thanks for watching.